Hello and welcome back to Pating Reviews. Today I'll be reviewing this Lamicall Gooseneck phone holder. This is a 33.4-inch long holder made of very strong materials. It comes in a few different colors and it's used to hold your phone in place from your desk or your table or so forth with a clamp here. So how it works is there's a clamp here. You can rotate the clamp to get as wide as you want here. I'll go into the specs of what the clamp width goes to. Then you screw it back down. It's got nice padding on the inside of the clamp itself, so it won't make any damage to the desk or anything that you attach this gooseneck clamp to. And then what you do is you have a nice clamp here at the top here, which is very strong and sturdy. You can put any size phone in it, pretty much from a small phone that's about an inch or so in width to a full-size brand new smartphone. And it has some grooves in here, so it holds your phone in place very sturdily. And then it has a nice long sturdy neck here that will definitely hold your phone in place and will not droop at all and hold your phone perfectly fine. And it comes in a couple different colors. I got here in the black color, but it comes in a couple different colors as well. And what I like about this Lamicall Gooseneck phone holder is, as I mentioned, it is a clamp here that easily is opened and closed, and so you can put it anywhere you want without damaging the desk. It's very sturdy, so it won't sag at all, and also the clamp is very strong and sturdy, so it holds your phone in place without dropping your phone or having a risk of dropping your phone. There's a bunch of different applications for using this gooseneck phone holder. I particularly use it myself for doing my review videos and top-down shots of my reviews, but a lot of people could use it for, say, if you want to clamp it to your desk and watch Netflix or YouTube on your phone, or say you're in the bathtub and you wanted to clamp it down to the table next to you and watch shows while you're in there. There's a lot of different applications for using this gooseneck phone holder, or you can put it next to your bed as well and use it for reading or watching shows. There's lots of different applications that you can use this product for. So what we'll do is I'll take a closer look and do an unboxing and give you some more specs and details about this gooseneck phone holder. So let's go a little more into the specs of this gooseneck phone holder. The clamp that attaches to the desk can go up to 2.36 inches, which is 6 centimeters in width, that will attach to your desk. The clamp that actually holds your phone will go from a width of 1.77 to 3.9 inches, which is 4.5 to 10 centimeters in width, which means, as I mentioned in my review, it will hold all modern smartphones, anything from an old iPhone up to a brand new iPhone. Same thing with Samsung or Google Pixel phones. It will basically hold any phone from a variety of 4.5 to 10 centimeters in width. And then the length of the actual neck itself is 33.4 inches, which is 85 centimeters. It can be bent, the neck, in a variety of different ways. It can be bent in a 360 degrees if wanted. It can be pointed downwards, upwards, tilted in long different ways, and is very strong. Will not sag and stay in place the whole time. It comes in the colors of black, white, and rose gold. So that's a bit of overview of what this Lamicall Gooseneck phone holder is and what it can do. So far, I'm quite impressed with the quality of this phone holder. I've been using it for a couple months now without any issues. It clamps onto the desk super easily, stays in place, looks great, and holds your phone sturdily without any issues and no risk or worry of it dropping your phone. And this is my review of the Lamicall Gooseneck phone holder. Thanks for watching this review by Pating Reviews. Thanks for watching this video. Please consider subscribing for more videos like this one, and liking and commenting if you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget that the links to the product mentioned in this video are below this video to get at the best possible price.